Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how this local drink is mostly prepared for sale, especially here in Ghana. This drink is popularly known as Sobolo. Let's get right into the video. So these are the ingredients we'll be using to prepare our Sobolo. We have our Sobolo leaves here, which is our main ingredient, and then we have some sugar, and then some oranges, pineapple, and then some spices and pepper. And here we have our ginger. I'll list the ingredients on the screen. I'll list them on the screen, and I'll also give you the list of all the ingredients in the description box below. So we've set our fire, and while we are waiting for it to be ready, we'll go ahead and prep some of the ingredients.
In our local dialect, we call it musoro. Then we also added kanafre, and we also added slusa.
Okay, so these are some of the spices we are grinding. We will also wash the pineapple thoroughly, after which we'll peel it. We'll be adding the peels of the pineapple to boil the sobolo later. And then we wash the oranges and divide them into pieces. Ingredients for this. It's very healthy and nutritious. So go ahead and wash the leaves and transfer into a pot. Don't place it on fire, and add some of the other ingredients. We've washed and chopped our ginger into pieces, and now we are transferring it into the blender. We'll also add some pepper and the other spices. Then we'll blend everything together. Our sobolo has started boiling already. We'll stir it and allow it to continue boiling for some few minutes. We don't need to allow it boil for long. We just need that strong sobolo color. And here we have our blended spices, which we blended off camera. We've also chopped our pineapple into pieces. We'll go ahead and blend it as well. Now back to our sobolo. At this point, our sobolo has boiled enough. You can see that strong sobolo color. So we'll take it off the fire. It's now time for us to sieve our sobolo for the first time. We are going to sieve this some number of times until we see that it's okay. So this is our first straining. add the sugar and mix it very well until all the sugar dissolves. And that is it, our Sobolo is ready. It's best to take this chilled, but if you want, you can go ahead and take it this way as well. So we are going to tie some in rubber, and then we transfer them into the freezer and allow them to freeze. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below in the comment section. I would like to know what you think about this drink, and if you have made some before, I would like to know if this is the same way you make your drink. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.